Geez, I put these rocks on here. This isn't too bad here. I just turned the camera on. I should have had it on earlier, but they put great big round boulders basically on the road. Like, I don't even know what that's about. Totally unsafe. Like, well, not unsafe for a motorcycle, but not ideal. I wish I would if I can get that on camera on the way back, I'll do that, but I have a feeling I'm not going to be coming back this way. But there's always another day. If I stop, I can show you an example of how all the rocks were, if they're still, because I see some comparable laying around here, but dear Lord. You can kind of see the stuff, the tracks weren't in here, but the stuff in the middle, it's actually quite large. And that's how the trail was without it packed down. So it was like driving on great big marbles. That's all I can tell you. And I couldn't decide if I should just be giving her or going slow. This was one of those things, right? Normally, if it's just a short stretch of some really weird surface, sometimes it's best just to power through. Okay, I've been here before, so this is where the trail splits off into a sort of a west route and a east route. And today we're going to go this way. I went this way before. That's where I crashed going up the this corner, going up a hill to get up on top of this bridge area. So I'm going to check that out, and hopefully that doesn't happen again. I don't think it will. But anyways, okay, we'll get going in a few minutes here. That looks like a hoof, so someone was riding their horse down here. And yeah, maybe one motorcycle I see. So anyways, we'll get going. Looks like my brother took off on me, and see if we can catch up to him. This section is so far fairly smooth. Might be better than it was before. Well, that verified the horse. There's just a big pile of horse dung on the road. There's squirrels running all across here. If you keep watching, I'm sure there'll be more. Almost ran that one over. Or not squirrels, mostly chipmunks, I should say. And that's not the bridge I was thinking of. This is the bridge where I wiped out one time going up the side to get up to the top, and perhaps I'm on the wrong side or the wrong trail for that. I don't think so though. Okay, so I just came up the bridge, no problem, and we're heading west right now, and this is the Trans-Canada Trail. Apparently it goes all the way across Canada, so I don't think we're going to find out today if it does. If you're not from Canada, Canada's a pretty big country. It would take probably a week to go across on a bike on a trail like this, at least.